Today is Decorate a Lantern. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more. Her guest host is At Home with Lisa. She has several co-hosts, myself, Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasca, Home Living, Mabel's Table, Creations by Simone, Debbie Bubbles, Jean's Home Decor and more, Sandy's Home and Garden, and Sassoon Glam Style. So come along with me as I show you my lanterns for this Valentine's Day. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about the lanterns I have decorated for today. The first one here is just a small white lantern, and all I've done, I've put a rose from the Dollar Tree. I've stuck it in the top of it, put a little heart and the little heart with the flower. On the inside, I've taken and added a little jewelry box with the little curb sitting on top. I've also inside put several flowers. On the outside of the hook, I placed the little snap-on flower here. And I'll open this up so you can see the inside. Okay, on the larger lantern here, I've made a swag. I've used red ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and all the flowers you see here, everything I've used in this swag is from the Dollar Tree. Also, the ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'll let you see inside of this one. What I have is a little bear in the corner. On a side of the bear, that is a paperweight, a Valentine's Day paperweight. And it has the heart and the roses attached to it. It is all it is a paperweight. And in the flower in the corner, I have put flowers and just a little jewelry around the bottom. On the hook here, I've added a clip-on rose. This one turned out very beautiful. I also have 3 outside when I decorated my porch for Valentine's Day. You can go back and check the 3 out there. The third one here is just a smaller lantern. Also, what I've done, I've taken a pic from Christmas. I've stuck a red rose and a couple of Valentines in it, and just made it a small little swag for this smaller lantern. On the bottom of it, I have put 2 white flower balls inside, and on top of it, The flower balls are setting on another one of the paperweights from the Dollar Tree. So I just laid that paperweight down and I placed the 2 flower balls on top of it. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More for inviting me to be a part of Decorator Landon. I also want to thank her guest host at Home with Lisa. You all go over and check out the lady's channel and all of the creators who are participating in Decorator Landon for Valentine's Day. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Decorator Landon, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and join our family. We would love to have you. Hope I've inspired you and given you some ideas on decorating your lantern for the Valentine's holiday. And I will be seeing you all in my next video.